In this video, I'm going to show you how to move data easily in Excel program. So that is very simple and easy method to move Excel data. Firstly, you need to select data which you want to move, like this one. So when you see your cursor move in this cross symbol, so drag and drop your data where you want to move, like here. Simply select, highlight that data and move, and keep where you want to move. Similarly, you can move your data for column. So select that column and keep your column where you want to move, like here. Similarly, you can move data for row, like this. That's it. So it's easy and quick method to move data in Excel. Select data and move your data easily. That's it. Thanks for watching.